Hello students, in this video we will discuss about how to represent irrational number on the number line. Representation of irrational numbers on number line. As you know that what is the irrational number? That means those numbers are not rational. Those numbers are not rational. This is known as irrational number. That is, which type of numbers will be irrational number? Root under 2, root under 3, root under 5, etc. These type of numbers are known as irrational number. If we want to represent the irrational numbers on the number line, then there are two methods. First is known as spiral method. Spiral method. What is the spiral method and how to represent any irrational number on the number line? Suppose if we want to represent root under 3 on the number line, we take root under 3 and we want to represent root under 3 on the number line. Then how to represent this by the spiral method? For this, suppose first we draw a number line and suppose this is the O. Now you should be take unit distance on this number line. Suppose this is the P and OP is equal to 1 unit. Now on the P point you should make right angle with the help of compass. That means already you have studied in the 8th class, 7th class how to make angle by the compass. That means in your compass take a radius, any radius you can take. All students can take different radius in their compass and cut an arc from P point like this. Again from here you should be cut like first arc, and from here this will be another arc. From this point we cut one arc here, and from this point with the same radius cut another arc and join this point to this point with the help of scale. Draw with the help of scale and measure the distance of OP in your compass as like this and cut an arc on this line. One means on the perpendicular. That means from here we cut this arc. Write the name of this intersection point is equal to is R. Join OR with the help of scale. Now in this figure, the straight length of PR is equal to OP. So PR will be 1 unit. Now you have know what is the Pythagoras theorem. Already you have heard this name. Pythagoras theorem. This is a concept, and this is a concept regarding a right angle triangle. What is the concept? In any right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to square of base plus square of perpendicular. Now here by Pythagoras theorem, OR square equal to OP square plus PR square. Concept is square of hypotenuse is equal to square of base plus square of perpendicular. Here H means hypotenuse, B means base and P means perpendicular. So this will be OP equal to 1 unit, Y square of 1 and PR equal to also 1. So this will be square of 1. 1 square means 1 and 1 square means 1. This will be 2. This will be OR square equal to 2. Therefore OR equal to, if you taking square root on both sides, so this will be OR equal to root under 2. That means length of OR will be root under 2. Now we want to find the length of root under 3. So again on the point R, we should make a right angle with OR line. That means with your compass, take any radius and on point R, you should be cut an arc like this. That means semicircle. With the same radius, cut 2 arcs from here, I like this, and from here, I like this. Again from this, another arc, cut upper side, and from this, I like this. And join O to this intersection point with the help of scale, I like this. Again, measure length of OP into your compass and cut from R. I like this. That means from here you should be cut another arc from R. And suppose this point is represented by S. Then join O to S with the help of scale. O to S with the help of scale. Since length of RS is equal to OP and OP is equal to 1 unit, so RS will be also 1 unit. And OR equal to root under 2 unit. Since this angle is 90 degree, so ORS is a triangle and this triangle is also right angle. Now in triangle, right here in triangle OPR. Now we take in triangle ORS. In triangle ORS. This is the right angle, so OS will be hypotenuse. That means by the concept of Pythagoras, OS square equal to OR square plus RS square. OR square plus RS square. Since OR square means OR equal to root under 2, that means square of root under 2 plus RS means 1, square of 1. Since square of root under 2, this will be 2. Already we have studied in the class 8th. Plus square of 1 is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore OS, that means if OS square equal to 3, so OS will be root under 3. That means length of OS will be root under 3. Now if you want to represent root under 3 on the number line, so your number line is OP. Now take this length of OS in your compass and cut on the number line from O. I like this. That means this point, this is the intersection point. This point represent the root under 3. And if you represent root under 2 on this number line, so you should be take the length of OR in your compass and cut another arc on the number line. That means if this point is cut is equal to OR, then this point will be root under 2. That means on the number line, this point represent the root under 2 and this point represent the root under 3. And this method is known as spiral method. This is very simple and this is already activity of this topic. Now in the next video, we will discuss next method to represent the irrational numbers on the number line.